I'm going to talk about 787 cheapest flights with the K-stop. There are N cities connected by some numbers of the flights. You are given the array flights, and where the flights are from to price indicate that there is a flights from the city from to city 2 with the cost price. You also given the three integer this way and find the cheapest price to do this. Okay. Based on this one has like a k times, right? So what I think is I can start like a for loop to make sure the k times and doing something here. This problem needs to use like a how to say perform for some algorithm to solve this problem. It's kind of like because this has the let's do this. It's kind of like you have to update here and then find the edges to update stuff from this one is source and this is destination, so you have to update this one current here how much I can get, right? Update here and go through this way based on these numbers to update that. And every time you like if I go to the 2, right, if they have different edges to update these words, I will pick up the minimum one. And then every time you check, it's kind of like go through this way to every possible way to update this one. It's and also pick up the minimum price. That is kind of like that's algorithm meaning there. So we need to create something. And also how do you say that word, like whatever. Inf INF arrays fields, because the start from the source, so I can know the source it should be the price it should be the src is equal to 0. Now we come here, we have to create a temp and for int j equal to 0. Okay, now we need to, this is kind of like edges flights int from is equal to the f0 here, int 2 is equal to the f1 here, and price price is equal to the f2 here. So what are we gonna do, like if current from this from is not equal to the which means we can achieve this kind of like here current, if infinite we didn't achieve that one. So like first round, right, stuff from here actually when the k equal to 0 only we can achieve this one, we cannot achieve 3, we cannot achieve 2 because we don't have the flight. So this is the meaning here. So if not equal to, which means we can achieve that one. So we can update the tempo to equal to the maximum, distinct to all the dist from plus the price. Yeah, we can find the minimum one, not the maximum. And every time minimum, we can update the disk equal to the current temp and prepare for the next decay. It's kind of like first stop, then stop, right? And when we have like if the dist destination is equal to this one, which means we didn't find it, so we return -1. If not, we find the price, so we have the price about the destination. Yeah, let's see. Dist. Okay. Arrays field. Oops, 500. This one, every time we need to change. You do need to change, so this one should update every time. Yeah. You can check. And for the time complexity, the purpose here is update to definitely will compare that. Yeah. The time complexity is very clear, right? So the space is the SO1, and for the time, this is NK flights. So flight length times K. Yeah, thank you.